to me. This is the hearts. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Fully all fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well. Right now I am standing in front of the Albina Garden. This is the ticket counter. There are a lot of tourists come here to visit this place, as well as I am come here to visit this place. So I want to show you the exact scenery of this area. Stay with me. I'm enjoying natural beauty. Apart from this, making video for you. So don't forget to comment under my video. আমি পূর্বে বলছিলাম যে এটাকে কি বলে আলবিনা গার্ডেন। Now I am top of the hill. This is the down of the hill. মানে দেখার মতো প্রকৃতিপ্রেমী যারা তারা মানে এখানে ভিজিট করতে পারেন। As you can see over there was a art by nature of Albina Garden over there. Just have a look. Albina Garden. As you can see back to me, this is the hearts. It is very natural to standing in front of the hearts. Have a look. Overall view. What a mesmerizing moment I'm spending here. It is really mind-blowing that I can't express. Those who are nature lover, they can visit the Albina Garden, which is located at Golabganj in Sylhet. This is called Albina Garden. There are a number of tourists come here to visit this place. Actually, after visiting this place, my experience is if you be a hard worker, if you be calm, if you used to climbing, then you can visit there, because if you grooming here, then you have to climbing up and getting down. This is the thing. So you can visit this place. আপনারা দেখছেন যে এখানে অনেক টুরিস্ট আছেন। As you can see, back to me, brother, what's your name? Akram Hussain. How is your feeling after coming here? Right now I am another hill. Sometimes ago I was over there. Right now I am another hill. I am climbing up. As you can see on my left side, there are poets. I am running. আলবিনা গার্ডেনের মসজিদ, মানে এই বিষয়টা আমার কাছে ভালো লাগছে যে একটা ছোট একটি মসজিদ পাশে দিয়েছে। এখানে আসছি নামাজ পড়ার জন্য, ওয়েটিং করতেছি। কয়েকজন এখান থেকে বললো আসবে, সে বিদায়।